In the camp there is sufficient food for 105 soldiers for 21 days. If 42 soldiers leave the camp, then how long would the food last? Here, the soldier means numbers versus days. This is a basic problem. Okay. Now, if the numbers are more, food will last for lesser days. If numbers are less, then the food will last for longer days. So, if the number of soldiers decrease, then soldiers would get food for more days. Means what? If one decreases, other increases. It means it's inversely proportional. So N and D. So N is inversely proportional to D, right? So N equals to K upon D, right? K equals to constant. Now let's go for first equation. What is given? 105 and 21. 105 equals to K upon 21. Therefore K equals to 105 into 21. You need not find the answer. Just keep it like this. So K you have got it. Now 42 leave the camp. So how many remain? 105 minus 42. That is 63 remain. Right? So 63 equals to K upon D. But K you know 105 into 21. So 63 equals to 105 into 21 upon D. So D equals to 105 into 21 upon 63. 1s are 3s are 3s are. Right? 21 1s are 21 3s are. Then 3 1s and 3 3s are and 5s are 35 days. So the food will last for